si Nika, CPA. Dito sa channel na to, hindi tayo yung typical na boring lecture. Gagamitin natin ng hacks, analogies, at simple examples para mas madali maintindihan ang accounting. Alam kong iba-iba tayo ng style sa pag-intindi, pero ito yung paraan ko na sana makatulong sa'yo para mas ma-enjoy mo ang learning journey mo. Welcome to episode 3 ng Accounting Hack Series. Today, pag-uusapan natin ng types of accounts, specifically assets, liabilities, equity. Ito yung 3 characters sa accounting story natin. So, gagawin natin parang pang 10-year-old para sobrang dali maintindihan. So, let's start. Assets. Lahat ng pagmamayari mo. Imagine may wallet ka, then may pera sa loob nun. That's an asset. May phone ka, asset yun. May bag ka, asset din yun. So, kapag may business ka, cash, supplies, inventory, and equipment, yun naman yung mga assets mo. So, ang asset is anything na may value at pagmamayari mo. So, yung analogy na gagamitin natin is yung asset is stuff na nasa iyo or pagmamayari mo. Okay? Then, for liabilities naman, lahat ng utang mo. Kapag nangutang ka ng 100 pesos kay ate mo, kahit may pera ka, hindi yun totally sa'yo kasi may liability ka. Sa business naman, ito yung mga loans, accounts payable, rent payable. So, ibig sabihin, yung liability, ito yung mga obligations na kailangan mong bayaran. Sa analogy natin, yung liability, ito yung mga stuff na hindi pa fully sa'yo kasi kailangan mo pa siyang bayaran. Then, punta naman tayo sa equity. Yung equity is yung owner's share. Ito yung natitirang value para sa owner pagkatapos bawasan ng utang. So, kung baga, yung equity is what's truly yours after paying off your liabilities. So, imagine mo, may cake ka. Then, yung part ng cake na yun, binigay mo sa friend mo kasi may utang ka sa kanya. Yung natira sa plate mo, yun yung equity. So, in business terms, ito yung capital, owner's investment, retained earnings, and sometimes net income. Yes, part yun ng equity. So, ganito yan. So, asset is what you own. Liability naman is what you owe. Equity naman is what's left for the owner. So, simple formula natin, asset is equal to liabilities plus equity. So, para siyang story ng buhay. Pag may pagmamayari ka, which is yung asset, may kailangan bayaran at may tunay na para sa'yo. Yan yung equity. Let's try a mini example para mas klaro. For example, number 1, may 500 pesos ka sa wallet mo. So, yung asset mo is yung 500 pesos kasi lahat ng pera na yon is sa'yo. Example number 2, may 1,000 pesos ka pero may utang kang 300. So, yung asset mo, dahil pera mo yung 1K, yung asset mo is yung 1K. Then, yung liabilities mo is yung 300 kasi may utang ka nga, di ba? Then, i-minus mo yung 300 dun sa 1K, so may 700 ka pa, which is your equity. Kasi kung babayaran mo lahat ng utang mo, 700 na lang yung matitira. Yan yung equity mo, okay? Then, example number 3, ito naman yung business example natin. Si owner, nag-invest siya ng 20,000 sa business. So, ilalagay mo yung 20,000 dun sa may assets and ilalagay mo din yung 20,000 dun sa capital, which is under ng equity. So, balance siya and super easy. So, a quick recap, assets naman yung what you own, liability is what you owe, equity is what's yours after paying your debt. So, lahat ng yan connected at sa accounting equation, which is the asset is equal to liabilities plus equity. So, kung gets mo ang tatlong yan, mas madali ng susunod na lessons natin. So, sa episode 4, pag-uusapan natin ng debits and credits. So, kung ako sa'yo, click mo ng video na to.